Hello, today I would like to show you how I managed to fix this fake AirPods free charging case after dropping, and you will be able to see what's inside and what is the build quality. So first, what was the problem? The problem was that this charging case was dropped on the ground and it stopped responding to opening the lid. Plus, there was the issue that inside you was able to hear a very unpleasant rattling sound. So something definitely broken, and I decided to open it and try to fix it. I make correct assumption that the problem is with the magnet that is being used for sensing opening the lid, but I didn't know where it's located, and I assumed that it's going to be on the bottom part, and I was wrong because the magnet is on top. It's located over there. Here is the magnet, as you can see in that nice holding bracket. So opening the bottom part was 100% unnecessary and didn't relate to our problem, but we can take a look how does it look. Here is sensor for the magnet, most likely like a Hall sensor. We've got the LED and the battery. The battery have a 200 milliamp hour. This is the real capacity for our battery. Here is the lightning charging port and all the circuitry. You can take a look how the build quality looks. And on the back looks like we've got a charging coil. So it is pretty interesting. So this is how the bottom part is presenting, and let's try to put it back. So we've got our bottom part assembly and the pairing switch. So I'm going to try to put it back where it belongs, and the pairing switch go on that side, and let's just try to slide it in, and let's see is it going to be click back in place. And looks like we've got a success. I grab a prying tool, I squeeze them to get a small opening and go like this around and take it out, and it make a success. Exactly the same thing happened with the top part. I slide that part in the between and pull it off. When I open the device, this is how it was looking. We've got the magnet by itself that pop out from that location, and the idea is that you need to stuff it inside, and you have to do it with a correct pole, because if you do not have a correct pole, it will not respond. So let me try to open it and see do we get a correct, and as you can see we do not get any pop-up, and that's because I put it opposite way. So let me try to correct that. Maybe that's going to be a correct way. Let me try to open it, and as you can see it's working. So double check before closing it down, and I'm going to permanently fix it by adding a little bit of a glue. Let me add a little bit of a glue, and I'm going to nicely that glue should nicely keep it in place and prevent from any future problem, because I'm definitely planning to drop it much more time, and that cutout go into the hinge. Let's try to crunch it. Does it look beautiful? Definitely not. I hope it's still working. Let's take a look at the phone. And we've got a success. So this is how you fix your fake AirPods 3 after dropping when you are hearing a rattling sound and they didn't respond to opening the lid. So the only affected part is the top. You slide it here like this and you pry it open and then glue the magnet. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.